Hello and welcome to this Demystification Office Mix. I'm Brent Combest, the General Manager for the Central Region on the US SMB team here at Microsoft. And I'm going to focus on what makes up the modern partner. Over the last few years, we've conducted a ton of research in partnership with IDC and other analysts to really understand what makes our top performing cloud partners tick. And you can find this information at the link at the bottom of your screen. We've brought this all together in a series of 5 ebooks that really focus on these 4 pillars. The first being differentiate to stand out. Top performing partners have learned that they've got to find a way to separate themselves from the herd. With more than 20,000 partners transacting in the cloud in the US alone, it's now more important than ever that you're providing unique value into the marketplace. For some partners, this means taking a vertical slant on their business and building an end-to-end solution around it. For others, it's about building a specialty around a particular technology. Either way, the goal here is to help you drive down costs around customer acquisition as well as delivery of solution to help you maximize your profitability. The second pillar is all about modernizing your sales and marketing. Today, 65% of the buy cycle actually happens before a prospect ever talks to a vendor or to a channel partner. So that means we've got to move away from the interrupt marketing techniques such as teleprospecting, direct mail, and email blasts, because those largely don't work the way that they used to, more towards rich content on the web, as well as search engine optimization and pay-per-click campaigns. This is what web-centric buyers are doing in order to connect with vendors and providers like yourself. But we've also got to find ways to acquire customers faster than we've done in the past, particularly in the SMB space. Now that we've moved more towards a recurrent revenue model, we've got to build up that snowball of revenue as fast as we can. So the measure that you're looking at here is the direct sales cost as a percentage of the revenue driven. So the way that you calculate that is you take the loaded cost of your seller and divide that by the quota or the revenue they'll drive each and every year. And you should be striving for somewhere in the neighborhood of 10%. The third pillar is all about optimizing your operations. And this is about instrumenting your business to make sure that you're checking on the key metrics that matter on a regular and routine basis. It's so important for you as an owner to make sure that you're working on the business and not just in the business, that you're taking care and aligning not only the strategy to the future, but making sure that progress is being made against it and that the measurements are in place so that you can adequately track it. And then on top of that, that you're using tools such as our internal use right benefits for things like Dynamics 365 or Office 365 to run as efficiently as you can. Now, the most progressive partners are starting their journey today around this concept of delivering customer lifetime value and making sure that they're painting that yellow brick road for their prospects and for their customers over the lifespan of their engagement with them. Understanding these 4 pillars and how to implement these as a strategy to your business will be critical for your future success, and I highly recommend that you invest the time to download these ebooks and understand them deeply. Thanks so much for investing the time today.